Alright, so today we have another special unboxing from KOHL'S. I believe this is some kind of like a Christmas tree storage container box. Anyway, let's go and then check this out. Hopefully there's no invoice in here. Pretty sure, oh, right there. So this one got a couple of the items in here. 1, 2, 3, 4 items. There's a Christmas tree, rolling storage bag, 2 at the quantity, and then the rest of the other one is just 1, 1, 1. Wow, nice. I think my wife said this is only for like $7. So this one is another measuring cup. Retail on this is $19.99. It's a stainless steel stacking design, dishwasher safe, full network stainless steel prep bowls. So it shows 2 cups. Oh, so tight. 2 cups. What? Oh, these are 2 cups. You know, some people they use this as a headlight, the frame. It's some promotion. And then this is 40 kids thermal. Retail price on this is $14. Nice. You got the Mickey Mouse. It's jumping beans. And this is made in Guatemala. There's nothing on the back. And then this one is another one. Size 40 again. Retail price on this $14. And then there's a Mickey Mouse face. Go and then check out one of this bag. hopefully I can put it back in. This one's the Whitmore Bring Organization Home. Hold up to 9 feet, disassemble a tree. Christmas rolling tree bag. It's 50 by 11.5 by 27 inch. Oh, there's a centimeter. It's a lightweight, tear-resistant material, heavy-duty zipper, convenient carry handles. Wow, even has a wheel. What? And then retail on this supposed to be at $39.99. And these are made in China. Wow, look at that. Got the zipper. Got the handle right here on both sides. Yeah, so it's pretty big. Well, anyway, I'm not gonna open up all the way, so this is what it looks like inside. It's almost like a canopy bag, so it's a plastic wheel. There you go. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.